This hare is trying to stay out of trouble. A hunting goshawk will spot anything that moves. So the skittish hare freezes, barely even breathing. Hidden in plain sight, the hawk moves on, and the hare can breathe a sigh of relief. As the winter days shorten, she molts from brown to white. An incredible costume change. Once again, all she has to do is freeze, and, like magic, she vanishes. But now, a new threat. Man-made climate change means that some winter days are unseasonably warm, and snow cover can disappear overnight. Her color change is triggered not by temperature, but by day length, and these warmer days are still short. So now, she's desperately out of sync with her surroundings. Time for Plan B. Speed. Next time, she may not be so lucky. Mismatched hares are more likely to be picked off. This snowshoe hare has adapted to stay brown all year round, so his life is easier when snow is thin on the ground.